Hello! Today we will install and configure the SafeDNS agent on a Mac. First of all, you need to download the SafeDNS agent from your dashboard. Log into your SafeDNS account. On the main page, select macOS in the Getting Started section. Below, you will see a link to download the agent. Click on it and wait for the agent to download. We can find the downloaded package in the Downloads folder, double-clicking it to install. Please keep in mind that if you are installing the agent for the first time, you may see the warning message from the operating system that macOS couldn't identify the developer of the SafeDNS agent. In this case, to install the agent, hold the Control button on your keyboard, right-click on the SafeDNS agent package, and choose the Open options in the context menu and in the dialog box opened. Now we just need to follow the installer instructions to finish the installation. During installation, you will need to enter the administrator password twice to install the agent itself and to install the SafeDNS root certificate. After installation is finished, you can keep or delete our downloaded package. It's up to you. I will keep it. For the first time, you need to launch an app from the Launchpad. After that, you can access it from the tray. Now you need to log into the app. Enter the username and password of your SafeDNS account. Create and confirm PIN code to access the app setting. Enter the PIN again. Now the app is fully installed and functioning. On the main screen, you can view your account information, current IP address, your billing plan, and subscription expiration date. Use the Policy menu to view and change the current filtering policy. The System Information menu shows brief information about the agent, current filtering policies, and the network interfaces. The information in this menu can be copied to the clipboard by clicking the Copy to Clipboard button. Our support engineers can ask you to send them this information for diagnostic purposes. The Debug menu displays the results of the diagnostic commands that are required in case of troubleshooting. To send the debug information to SafeDNS, click the Send Report button. Filtering settings are managed in the dashboard on our website. In the Settings tab, you can remotely change your installed agent policy. After the agent is installed, you can find it here. Now, click the pencil icon, pick the policy needed from the drop-down list, and save it by clicking the green check mark. Obviously, you must have more than one policy to do that. Here, you choose the categories you want to block. App Blocker will help you block applications and entire ecosystems. Allow and deny lists will allow you to restrict or provide access to exact domains and subdomains. For more information, please read our manuals or watch the video instructions at this link. To uninstall the agent, first of all, you need to quit it. Then find SafeDNS agent in the Applications folder. Run uninstall agent SafeDNS and enter administrator password in the terminal window opened. Now the agent is fully uninstalled. Thank you for watching. For more information about our services, you can read in our manuals or contact our technical support. Bye.